Okay, 2 videos in one day. I am replacing my headlight bulbs. I'm going to try to do it all in one shot, real time. It's the product I just bought. Torchlight. Pretty nice, pretty nifty looking. Come in this nice little packaging here. Each one has the correct number labeled on the wire. They even come with a neat little pair of gloves so you don't mar up the bulb. But really easy to do this without touching the bulb. There are 3 bolts, 1, 2, 3 up here, and then 1 bolt behind there. And let's see if we can just make this happen here. Try to get it done as quick as possible. 10 millimeter. Extension makes things nice when you get down here to these last 2 bolts. I already know that the 9006 goes out here, the 9005 goes in here. But if you're unsure, I mean, you can always look that up, watch a video where they tell you that, or when you take this assembly off and you pull the bulbs that are already existing, they should be marked. They should be. The one I did on the other side was real loose. Now you want to be careful with this because it could fall right out on you. Little tab right here fits into a slot that rests on top. Bolt goes in there. This is so easy, even you can do it. That's right, I said it. That's right, I said it. Even you could do it. Alright. This is a little finicky. Yeah, there's a plastic tab that goes inside the metal frame. There it goes, that comes out. There we go. Just tip this up, rest it on here like that. Flat blade screwdriver helps. So you seeing this? Yeah, you're seeing this. Okay, we'll do this one first. I'm just going to pry up on this and disconnect it. Disconnected. I'm going to pull it free. We do one at a time because you don't want to take a chance on messing up the wiring here. Okay, so they're opposite. On this side you turn it counterclockwise, on the other side you turn it clockwise to release it. Note the small tab. There's 3 tabs here. The smallest one is the one that's going to go in on this side here. And on this light, I don't know if you'll see it, but it clearly says 9006 right on it. Only 1 bulb blue, but I'm replacing all of them with these super swift, nifty lights here. The neat thing about this is the fan is built into the back side of that. You see that? That's pretty cool. Note how I am not touching the bulb. My hands, my fingers are not going anywhere near that lens. Looking at this thing here, there's the small tab. I'm going to put that small tab over here on this side here, and I'm going to spin it clockwise. And now it's locked in place. I'll take this thing here. There's a little tab on the top that catches the catch right there. I'm going to line those things up. And that bulb is done. That's how easy it is. What did I tell you? It's so easy, even you could do it. Have faith in yourself. Alright. Counterclockwise. Pulls right out. A little dusty. 9005. Again, not touching the bulb. You know, I didn't pay attention to the short one on this one, so we'll have to fiddle fuck with it a little bit. That's not it. It's got to be this way. There we go. There you go. Locked in place. No problemo. This thing here plugs right into there. And now we are done. Now these wires are longer, so what I did on the other side was there's a cut nail. Must have been from a job I did. This could have been from Texas a few years ago. So I like to lift these up and fit them into the firewall here. Well, not firewall, but you know what I'm saying. This way they're not dangling directly behind the light fixture. And there we go. Now all you gotta do now is replace the bolts and you're good to go. This is the corner marker that came off, and you'll remember I bought these 2x2 LEDs I was thinking about fitting in here. I'm not sure if that's really going to work. For me to make that work on the corner, I'm going to probably have to remove this plastic in here, and I don't know if I want to do it, but I'll play with it. Maybe I'll go to the junkyard and get a whole new headlight assembly and see if that works. So, but that's it. Turn it on for you, let you see the headlights. So they're nice and bright white now. There's your high beams. They're working nice. Low beam, and they're both on. We'll call that a success. Have a good one. Be good to each other. Bye.